In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new asset so it's organized correctly on your balance sheet and ready for depreciation tracking. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right of your screen for the small gear icon, also called Settings. Click that, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of all your accounts, and it's where your fixed assets live. If you don't see it immediately, you're likely in the right place, but filtering differently. Stay calm and look for Chart of Accounts within the Settings menu. Once the Chart of Accounts opens, click New in the top right corner. This opens the form where you define the account for your asset. In the Account Type dropdown, select Fixed Assets. Choosing the correct account type is important because it tells QuickBooks this item belongs on your balance sheet and not your profit and loss statement. Next, pick the most accurate detail type for the asset. You'll see options like vehicles, machinery and equipment, or furniture and fixtures. Select the one that best describes what you purchased. This helps you group similar assets and run cleaner reports, especially if you own multiple items in the same category. In the name field, enter a clear, specific name. A good format might include the item and a brief identifier such as Delivery Van 2025 or CNC Machine Model X. The clearer your naming, the easier it will be to track and depreciate later. You can also add more context in the description if you like, such as a serial number or location, but keep the name concise and recognizable. Check the box labeled Track Depreciation of this asset. This lets QuickBooks track this asset's book value over time. You'll still record depreciation entries as needed, but checking this now sets the foundation so your reports reflect accumulated depreciation correctly. If you're not sure about depreciation methods or accounts, note those questions for your accountant and proceed with the setup here. Enter the original cost and the as of date. The original cost typically includes the purchase price plus any costs necessary to get the asset ready for use, like delivery or installation. The as of date is usually the purchase date or the date the asset was placed in service. If you're moving into QuickBooks mid-year, use the date that aligns with when your books start in QuickBooks. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. Your fixed asset is now set up and ready for accurate reporting.